Hey, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do an eye look, create an eye look using my palettes from Lancome that came with the set that I'm offering as a giveaway. If you haven't entered that giveaway, I will leave the links below and all the information so you can enter. We're just gonna get it right into it. Before we do, please make sure you click that button below, hit the subscribe button, and even in the video, that little picture that says click here, subscribe, just click on it. I share new videos every single week. Don't want you to miss out, so make sure you click on that bell as well. So there's two palettes here, and I'm gonna show you the two right here that you get with the set. Really, really pretty. I think I'm gonna go with the greens today and not the pinks, or should I do, which one should I do? Should I do pinks or greens? You know what? I mean, I am wearing green today, not that that matters, but you know what? Let's do the pink today. Because this is like what I normally would gravitate towards because it's a little bit more neutral. Now this palette, I mean, both of the palettes are mostly shimmers. And I'm assuming that this, it doesn't say, but I'm assuming that this is the blush color. Now I've already applied my blush, but maybe I'll put a little bit more of that on. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just gonna show you. It's this color right here. And I'm gonna use that as my transition. Now, this gift set is available at Nordstrom, and this isn't sponsored or anything. That is just where I purchased it. I purchased one for myself, purchased one for one of you. So if you don't, you know, if your name isn't chosen, I will make sure I leave that link below too, so you can check it out. But the gift set is unbelievable. Like, it's a really, I think it's a great deal. You get so much. So if you missed that video on the giveaway, I'll try to remember to link it. So I'm just going right here with my transition color. I have slightly hooded eyes. I know some of you disagree, but I do. If I go like this, see all that skin hanging there? When I move and talk, it doesn't look like it, but when I just relax my eyes, I have hooded eyes. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, right on top of that other color. And I've shared this before, but I'm just gonna share it again in case you're new to my channel. When you're using your makeup brushes, make sure you hold them more towards the bottom instead of right here and doing it that way. When you're holding your brush this way, you're putting too much pressure on and you're not gonna get a really nice blended look. You're gonna apply too much shadow, so hold it at the ends, just like I'm holding there. So now I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Now this has a little bit of a shimmer. That other color does too, but the nice thing is, it doesn't look shimmery on my eyes. It doesn't look glittery or anything like that. So these shimmers are really, really subtle. I like that. So I'm just gonna go in here and I'm going to put it right here on the corner. Kind of make that outward V, as Nisha likes to call it. This is a great brush for doing that because it's like a little paint brush. See how easily I can get right in that little area there? I'm gonna do the same thing. Put that right in. I'm gonna blend that out. We're just applying the color right now. Now, let me just get my hair out of the way. I'm gonna blend this, and I just wanna blend it right here where I applied my color. I don't wanna go crazy everywhere. Just right where I blended, you know, where I applied it, and I'm just blending that. Now I wanna go in and I wanna add some pink. So before I do that, I am gonna use my MAC Prep and Prime. Spray this, and I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna dip it into this pink color here, and I might do a little bit of that white too, like shimmery pink white, I guess. I'm just gonna dip it in both, and now I'm just gonna tap it on. I'm taking that same color, just mostly the pink here, and putting that pink right in there. So now I'm gonna go in with my smudge brush, my It Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take this darker brown right here, and I'm just dipping it in there, and I'm gonna go right on my lash line. I just like to do this instead of using an eyeliner. I just think it's a prettier look. It's softer. I just don't like to use eyeliner on my lower lash. So this is what I do instead. I use an eyeshadow. So right there. I am gonna go ahead and, now this is something that I just started doing. And by the way, I still have to order my NARS eyeliner. I haven't. I actually might go to Sephora next week and see if they have it in stock. I don't think Ulta sells it anymore, so I'm meeting up with another YouTuber. I'm meeting up with Dawn next week. So we're going to be recording stuff. I'm saying next week because this is Friday, a week from today. But it'll be when I share this on Monday, it'll be this week. So, okay, I just confused you. So anyways, what I've been doing differently that's been helping more with my other liners is I use my liquid liner first and then I go in with my pencil. That helps a little bit, but I still get transfer with the pencil that I'm using, so I need my NARS. Anyway, so I'm going to go in here with my Kat Von D. Now I do have a magnified mirror on here. I could use this one. I could just take this off here and do it this way. Just line it with my, this is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Now one tip I will give you, and I can't do it right now because my makeup situation is a mess. I have to keep everything in the bag. But if you can, try to store your liquid liners that are like this upside down. So the tip is facing this way. And that way it's always going to stay fresh and you'll get, you'll always have a nice wet application. If you store it like this or like this, you're going to get a drier application and you're going to probably think it's running out or not working, but you really need to store them this way. Your waterline is right underneath your lashes right up here. So right underneath your lashes, that part of your eye skin is called your waterline. So you have a waterline up here and you have an inside waterline on the lower, right above your lower lashes there as well. So some people do that. They do their waterline down there. For me, I just feel like it's too dramatic for during the day. Sometimes in the evening, I will do my whole eye, but it's a very bold look on me. I don't really like to do that all the time. So for every day, I do like to do just my upper waterline because it just, you'll see, it's gonna make my lashes look thicker. So I'm just gonna go in here and I'm just getting right in my waterline. And I really even scrub it into my lashes a little bit. You don't want to see, you know, any skin there. And I'll show you what I mean, because I'll do the other eye a different way just to show you. Okay, do you see the difference between this eye and that eye? See how this looks thicker here? Now I'm going to apply it to this waterline, but I'm not going to scrub it, and I'm going to show you the difference. So I'm just going to apply it to my waterline. Okay, so you see the difference between both of my eyes? I'm going to get really close. You see the difference where you can kind of see my skin there, and there it's all blended, and this is what you want to do. So that's why you want to get in there and really apply it. Like you want to take your brush, or not your brush, you want to take your liner. I have to get a mirror so I can, you want to take your, and you want to get in there like this and apply it like that. You don't want to completely close your eye, but I have to close it slightly to do it. This is my Tarte lash curler that I bought several years ago, but that's why it's all linked up. They don't sell, it doesn't look like this. It was like a special gift set, but you can still purchase it. I really love this one. It works well for me. All right, so that is it. That is my final look. I'm gonna get closer so you can see it, but really, really pretty palettes. Again, if you haven't already, I will leave the link below for the giveaway and all the details of when it ends and what you need to do. So really, really, really pretty soft look. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and you can follow me on Instagram. I will leave the links below, and that is it. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you real soon. Bye.